Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English by Learning English podcast. I'm Adam, and as always, I'm joined by my co-host, Sarah.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us again. Today, we're focusing on a very important real-life topic, how to speak English at the doctor's office.
Yes, going to the doctor can already feel stressful, and when you're speaking in a second language, it becomes even more challenging.
Exactly. You need to describe your symptoms, explain how you feel, understand instructions, answer questions, and communicate clearly, all while possibly being in pain or discomfort.
But don't worry, in this episode, we'll guide you step by step through a full natural doctor visit. We'll cover how to check in at the reception, how to describe symptoms, how to understand basic medical questions, how to respond clearly, how to ask for help, how to understand the doctor's advice, and how to get medicine at the pharmacy. Useful vocabulary and polite phrases. Everything will be in simple, clear, beginner-friendly English, but still professional and natural.
Let's begin. Good morning. Welcome to City Care Medical Clinic. How may I help you?
Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Wilson at 10 a.m.
Certainly. May I have your full name, please?
Adam Parker.
Thank you, Mr. Parker. Let me check. Yes, I see your appointment here. Could you please take a seat in the waiting area? The doctor will call you shortly.
Thank you. When you arrive at a clinic, you usually start with a short exchange like this. The receptionist will ask for your name, appointment time, or ID.
Yes. Some useful phrases include, I have an appointment at blank. My name is blank. I'm here to see Dr. Blank. Thank you.
You don't need complicated English, just clear, simple answers.
Mr. Parker, the doctor is ready to see you. Please follow me.
Of course.
Before the doctor comes in, I'll check your vitals. Could you please stand on the scale? Thank you. Your weight is 78 kilograms. Now I'll check your blood pressure. Great. And what brings you in today?
I've been having headaches for the past 3 days. They're getting worse, especially in the morning.
Thank you. The doctor will be with you in a moment.
When a nurse asks, what brings you in today? They are asking why you came, your reason for the visit.
Some easy ways to answer are, I have a headache. I feel sick. My stomach hurts. I have pain in my back. I have a cough and a fever.
Short, simple, and clear descriptions are perfect.
Good morning, Mr. Parker. I'm Dr. Wilson. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. I'm not feeling very well. I've had headaches for 3 days, and today it's much stronger.
I see. Could you describe the pain? Is it sharp, dull, or throbbing?
It's throbbing, like a strong pressure behind my eyes.
I understand. And where exactly do you feel the pain?
Mostly in my forehead and temples.
Okay. Do you have any other symptoms? For example, nausea, fever, dizziness, blurred vision?
I feel a little dizzy when I stand up, but no fever. My vision is normal.
Thank you. Have you taken any medication?
I took a painkiller yesterday, but it only helped for a few hours.
All right. I'm going to check your temperature and look at your eyes. Then I will examine your throat and ears. Everything looks normal so far. Your symptoms may be caused by tension or lack of rest. I will prescribe some medication for the headache, and I also recommend rest, hydration, and limited screen time.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. If your symptoms get worse, or if you develop a fever or blurred vision, please come back immediately.
I will. Thanks again.
This part of the conversation is very important because the doctor will ask detailed questions about your condition.
Yes, here are some common doctor questions. How long have you had this problem? Where does it hurt? Is the pain sharp or dull? Do you have a fever? Are you taking any medication?
And here are some ways to describe symptoms. I feel dizzy. I have pressure in my head. I feel weak. I have trouble breathing. My stomach feels tight.
The key is to use simple words that clearly show how you feel.
Before you go, do you have any questions about your treatment?
Yes, doctor. How many times a day should I take the medicine?
Take 1 tablet every 8 hours. Always take it after food.
And is it safe to work today?
You can work, but try to avoid long hours in front of a computer. Rest when possible.
Understood. Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. Take care. It's important to ask questions if you don't understand something. Here are some helpful phrases.
Could you please repeat that? What does that mean? How many times a day? Should I take this with food? Is it safe to go to work? Are there any side effects?
Doctors expect questions. Don't be shy. Hello, how can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I have a prescription from Dr. Wilson.
May I see it, please?
Of course.
Thank you. This medication is for headaches. Take 1 tablet every 8 hours and drink plenty of water.
Are there any side effects?
You may feel a little sleepy, so avoid driving.
Understood. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
At the pharmacy, you usually need to hand over your prescription, listen to instructions, ask questions if needed.
Some key phrases. I have a prescription. How do I take this medicine? Are there any side effects? Thank you. Hello, this is Anna from City Care Clinic. I'm calling to check on your condition. How are you feeling today?
Hello, Anna. Thank you for calling. I'm feeling a little better. The medicine is helping.
That's good to hear. If you experience stronger symptoms, please contact us immediately.
I will. Thank you.
Follow-up calls are common in professional clinics. They help the doctor understand if you are improving.
Use simple phrases like, I feel better, I feel worse, the medicine is working, the pain is still strong. Let's review important vocabulary from this episode. 1. Symptom, a sign of illness. 2. Prescription, written instruction for medicine. 3. Throbbing, strong, repeating pain. 4. Dizzy, feeling like you might fall. 5. Hydration, drinking enough water. 6. Vitals, basic health measurements. 7. Blood pressure, pressure of blood in the body. 8. Examination, a medical check. 9. Side effects, unwanted reactions to medicine. 10. Follow-up, checking progress later.
Today, we learned how to speak English at the doctor's office step by step. We covered checking in at reception, talking to the nurse, describing symptoms clearly, answering doctor questions, asking for clarification, understanding instructions, visiting the pharmacy, all in simple, natural, beginner-friendly English.
Going to the doctor can be stressful, but speaking in English doesn't have to be.
The words you use don't need to be perfect. What matters most is clarity.
Even simple sentences like, my head hurts, or I feel dizzy are enough for a doctor.
With practice, you can communicate calmly, confidently, and clearly. And remember, every time you speak English in real life, you become stronger.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Stay healthy, keep learning, and keep improving.
This is Easy English by Learning English Podcast. See you in the next episode.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share with your friends.
Goodbye, everyone.